Hey, good afternoon. Well, if you remember about a month and a half ago, we put the shocks, the adjustable shocks on the 200SX, and they were just not the right ones. The back was so stiff it wouldn't even move. They were way too big, and they're way too big for the car. And so we ordered some from AutoZone, and they came, it was just this part here and this shock inside. We had to take off the springs and seats from the old one and put them on here. And so now we're taking off the new ones that were wrong and gonna replace them with these. So these are the ones we ordered online, and we put in the vehicle, the description and everything, your make and model, and they were apparently wrong because you could see the difference in the two. This much taller, and this is at the lowest setting, so there's no way these are going to work for that vehicle. So we'll just go ahead and replace them with this. And just make sure that we get the lug nuts good and tight. There we go. One more to go. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing. We're just gonna take the wheel off of this side, and I already loosened the nuts on the top of the shock. So all we have to do is take the bottom bolt out and put the new shocks in, or the real size shocks in. And we got the jack and the jack stands here to make sure it's not gonna fall. And now I'm just taking the nuts off, the lug nuts off the rest of the way. Right, so let's see here. That's better. Yeah, before it wouldn't move at all, and it was jacked up really high. This is perfect. That's glad we got that taken care of. One less thing to worry about, and we'll see what else needs to be done and get it done. So thanks for watching, and you all have a great night. Take care. Bye-bye.